rat, jam, mat, bat, can, man, pan, cap, wag. Match the picture with the word. You can match here with the word with the pictures. You can match the following. Next, fill in the missing letters. You can write the missing letters. This is man, M-A-N, can, C-A-N. Like that you need to fill in the missing letters for these pictures. Write the names of these pictures. You can write what is the name of these pictures here. Tap, bag, bat, mat, like that you need to fill in the pictures. Rhyming words. Here you can write the rhyming words, cap, map. The same way you can write the rhyming words for bag, mat, can, bat. Short E sound, wet, net, red, leg. More of E words, led, beg, bet, let, den, fed, get, set, wet, met. Bed, men, pet, egg, hen, pen, ten. Match the pictures with a word. You can match the pictures with the words here. Next, fill in the missing letters. You can fill in the missing letters here for these pictures. Write the names of these pictures. You can write the names of these pictures. The clue is given here. So you can write the name of the pictures. Next, make rhyming words. The first one has been done for you. Red, bed. The same way you need to make a rhyming word for pet, hen, peg, ten. Here they have given the clue for 10. It is pen, peg, egg. Like that you need to make it the rhyming words. Short I sound. Sit, bit, sit, jig, lid, bin. More I sounds. Lit, nip, tip, zip, fit, pig, lip, fin, hid, kit, win. Pit, dig, big, kid, dip, hit, fig, hip, pin, tin. Match the pictures with the word. You can match the pictures with the words here. Next, write the missing letters for these pictures. You can write the missing letters. Write the names of these pictures. Here the clue is given. You can write the names of these pictures. Make rhyming words. Hit, sit. The same way you can make the rhyming words for these words. Short O sound, dog, cop, rod, box, top, pod. More O sounds, nod, dot, hop, sun, hot, mob, fog, cot, jog, rot. Ox, fox, log, mop, pot. Make the pictures with the word. You can match the following with the words with the pictures. Next, fill in the missing letters. You can fill in the missing letters here for these pictures. Next, write the names of these pictures. You can write the names of these pictures over here. Next, make rhyming words. You can make the rhyming words of these. You can make the rhyming words for all these. Next, short U sound. Bus, bun, run, pup, rug, bug, bud, cub, nun, gun, butt, hut, sun, cut, tub, jug, cup, nut, mug, hug. Make the pictures with the word. You can match the following with the pictures with the words given here. These are the words given. Next, fill in the blanks with the missing letters. You can fill in the blanks with the missing letters. Next, write the names of these pictures. You can write the names of these pictures. Clue is given here. You can write the names. Make rhyming words. Here the pictures are given. You can make the rhyming words. Sun, bun. Similar way, you can make the rhyming words for these pictures. Next, I can read words. Say the name of each picture. Color the box with the correct word. Color the picture. You can read it and you can color these pictures. Say the name of each picture. Color the box with the correct word. Color the picture. You can say and you can color the pictures over here. Next, how many things with A sound can you spot in the picture? Write the words in the blanks. With the A sound, how many words can you frame? You can write over here. Same. How many things with E sound can you spot in the picture? And you can write the words in the blanks. The same way with I sound, the same way with O sound, the same way with U sound. Yeah. This completes Hop, Skip and Jump Junior KG Literacy Skill book. Thank you.